Oh God. All right, worst nightmare. The rain started, hyperlapse is finished, and I am aborting and coming home. Because you just gotta abort and come home when it's like this. It just came in. Oh my God. Am I gonna be able to make it? Hey everybody, Jason here to tell you about the DJI Air 2S. We're gonna be doing a hyperlapse today. So you're gonna wanna check on aloft to make sure that you're okay to fly in your zone. And first of all, what you wanna do is you wanna note your conditions. So I see that there's a storm approaching, so if it starts to get a little wet, or if the clouds get too close to my drone, I'm gonna have to go ahead and fly back. And go ahead and have an understanding of where you wanna fly for when you do your hyperlapse. So when we launch, every moment counts because we're doing a hyperlapse. So I want to end by that tree over there. Let's change our max speed to 3 meters per second and our length to 24 seconds if we can. All right, 2-second intervals, perfect. And let's launch. Alright, so we are going to go to the first point. Beautiful day. This is going to look so cool because of the clouds. Alright, I really want to capture this whole bay. All right, so now we're gonna go up here and scroll down towards waypoints. Come on, that's not what I wanted. Hyperlapse, and now waypoints. And we're gonna go ahead and set a waypoint down here. All right, and now waypoints works where as I'm flying, now if I change my camera angle, if I change it too much, you'll see that it says good, and then all of a sudden it'll say not good. Wow, it still is good. Now it says too large. So here we are. Let's have that be a right, we're gonna come Alright, I've changed course. I'm a little bit further than that tree that I said I was going to start by, but I kind of like this now. So now it says current battery level is a little bit insuffice. We're going to go back up to the set waypoints, and we are going to go to reverse the sequence. Here we go. So now it's going to start from where it currently is, and it's going to go back to where it first started. And it's going to take one photograph every 1 to 3 meters per second, about every 2 seconds, and it's going to take 300 photographs, and it's going to do so in 10 minutes. All right, let's see how that looks. All right. All right, I can see the rain coming in. I'm almost done. And now I'm getting rained on and it's finishing, so I took on some rain for nearly 30 seconds towards the end. All right, worst nightmare. The rain started, hyperlapse is finished, and I am aborting and coming home.
because you just gotta abort and come home when it's like this. It just came in. Oh my god. Am I gonna be able to make it? Oh, it's coming down hard. Just came in. Coming down. Coming down. Here we go. Here we go.